Gather your safety rope, and about a foot from the end there is a mark on the rope. Make a simple knot at that mark. Now we're going to loop that end of the rope through the last slotted hole in the base of the machine. Under and through. Now we're going to take the end of the rope and go through the middle of the simple knot. Now we're going to take the end of the rope and wrap it around the main rope and stick it through 2 times and tighten. Then slide the knot down tight. Now one end is knotted to the base. You're going to do the same to the other side. So 2 end corners. Then we will come around to this side of the machine and do the end corners like so. Your trolley should have arrived with the safety cables already installed.